Hello, welcome to my channel AWS tutorial for beginners. In the last session, we discussed about how to install Jenkins on AWS EC2 with security group changing. Today's session, we will discuss about how to configure Jenkins on EC2 instance. For that, we need to step one we already did. For after installation, we need to change the security group in inbound rules. We already did this. And step two, connect the Jenkins with the below URL. Connect your instance using it past first. Connect the SSH command. I think it was already connected. So okay, we'll check the Jenkins service. Okay, we'll check the status. Status it is active and running. We'll go to browser. You can copy the public DNS and paste after this :8080 port range. Click enter. I think there might be something missing. We'll check why it is giving. We'll okay. Okay. HTTP 080. Yeah, it is opening now. Oops, what is this dashboard? Yes, got it. If you want to unlock the Jenkins, this is the initial screen after you are connecting using the public DNS. So you can check the password, initial password, where it is available in your path. Go to that path. I'm going to the super user for taking that path. CD Parallel Jenkins secrets. Type ls command for listing the files. This is the password. Using the cat command, I'm opening that file. Paste. So copy this initial password and paste it here. Click continue. If it is the first time, it will ask you to go for the first time user. Before that, we need to customize Jenkins by install suggested plugins. Click suggested plugins. It may take a while for installing the suggested plugins. Need to wait for some time. Please subscribe my YouTube channel AWS Tutor for Beginners. This is complete step-by-step guide you can easily understand. So we'll check other things now. This is the public DNS. You want to connect with this public DNS with the port 8080. Before that, you need to configure the security credentials for that. So view inbound roles. So this one by default it will come with the 22 port and TCP, and other port what we changed for this Jenkins. Otherwise it will not work. Either you need to configure the 8080 port with TCP, or you can source as anywhere you can use, or else you can use your specific port range with public DNS. In the right panel, you can see the logs. In the bottom, you can see the Jenkins version 2.259. After completing the suggested plugin installation, it will ask for the create first admin user. You can use your username, password as G19. I'll give mine G110 or 19, anything. In password, it should be case sensitive. Full name can give Chandra. Please make sure these passwords are case sensitive and it should be matched. Click save and continue. This is the instance configuration. Jenkins URL. You can provide the URL of this what we have connected using this. This is the Jenkins URL. Save and finish. Now your Jenkins is ready and start using it. Click start using Jenkins. The next step what we do is we have done for the 3. You should go to directory as shown above where library secrets. We have taken that. We have completed Jenkins suggested plugins. Create the first admin user. The instance configuration. And now Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins. On the left side, you can click on manage Jenkins. Click manage plugins. In the left panel, you can see this manage Jenkins. Click manage plugins in the menu option. See, go for available. Use search button to search if you want to use Amazon EC2. So if you search using the search button, find button, you can find out the, or else you can go for install without research. Otherwise, you can go to back to dashboard. Otherwise, you can do for install without research. Loading plugin extensions and all, it was already installed and done. Then click on back to dashboard. Manage Jenkins. Manage plugins. Click manage plugins. Check Amazon EC2. Click available and check Amazon EC2 plugin. Click on Amazon EC2. can install without restart. It may take a while. I try to install the Amazon Web Service SDK plugin along with CloudBees and Amazon EC2. Yeah, now it is success. Go back to dashboard, manage Jenkins, configure system. Check if there are any cloud options are there for setting up the Amazon cloud. Yes, here you can see the cloud for configuring the. You have to configure the Amazon EC2 cloud here. In up to this we have done today, and the next session we will see how to configure the cloud Amazon EC2 cloud on Jenkins. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel AWS tutorial for beginners. Thank you. If you have any queries, please post it. We'll discuss later.